Welcome guys to this Node.js tutorial. This is an introductory session. For them I'm planning to create videos for the basics like what is event loop, um, creating REST APIs using Express, and maybe we could use that REST APIs and front-end libraries like React.js. So for this session we'll cover what is Node.js. So Node.js is basically a server-side JavaScript. JavaScript was basically created to make um, web pages more dynamic. When in 2008 Google made their Chrome engine open source, a guy named called Ryan Dahl created a new language, Node.js. But more than a language or framework, Node.js is runtime for JavaScript. So as browser executes the front-end JavaScript, Node.js is used to execute the server-side or back-end JavaScript. If you go to nodejs.org, you can see the definition for Node.js. So it says Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. So that's it for the first lecture, guys. In next lecture, we'll see what is npm and how to install Node.js. Thank you.